It wouldn't be summer without a little summer makeup tutorial. Today we're gonna talk about the ocean, a little mermaid eyes, little ocean eyes. I found some amazing new products I think you guys are gonna love. I'm already set with my foundation, my concealer. This video is called Ocean Eyes for a reason, and it's not because I love Billie Eilish. This is because I'm gonna use a little bit of blue. As I was saying, everyone loves a little mermaid. Again, I'm a little older, so I'm gonna go a little lighter, but I do love this amazing palette for summer. It's called Tan Lines. And what I love about it so much is that it's very buttery. It's got a magnetic, but just so you guys can see all the different colors. Today we're gonna be doing this one right there. It's called Tide Pool, and a few of the colors at the end, but it is an awesome, awesome palette for summer. So I'm gonna take my finger and I'm gonna dip it in just like right here, going down a little bit. I'm gonna flush it over the eyelid. Again, a little goes a long way. And for me, I just want the essence of the blue. I don't want a true blue that's kind of like the ocean, just a little bit of it. So you're just gonna blend it over, almost like a wash. And it has that iridescent, which is metallic-y, which is really on trend right now, which a lot of girls are using. So again, it's very easy. I'm just gonna do my finger. All right, so next we're gonna do like the sand. Since it's ocean eyes, we're gonna do a sand color called Sunset, and it's by Marc Jacobs. And we're gonna use this on the waterline. Just a little bit underneath. We're gonna go all the way into the crease. I'm gonna go all the way in right here. And then you're gonna go inside the eye. Kind of smudge it. And I'm just gonna go in the teardrop. I'm gonna do Sure Thing, just a little bit. And I'm gonna go inside here, just a little bit, just to lighten it. Give that little bit of a kick of a highlighter. So for Sure Thing, I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna use just at your brow bone. And it just really defines the brow without having to use a lot of product in your brow. Just gives it a nice, pretty shape. Same thing, take this MAC, again it's 210, just on the Cupid's bow right here, just to give a little bit of a highlight. And just down here, it's a little trick, little pop. Next, we're going to use this awesome new Milk. It's called Kush Waterproof Mascara. And again, you're just gonna lightly go over. Very wispy. And don't take it from the end, just on the tips. Next, I'm gonna do a little bit of brows. I love this Hourglass, and it's a volumizing fiber gel. I'm really trying to grow out my brows, and this is called Arch. And it's like a natural brownie blonde. And I'm gonna go up, everything is up. What is filled in that little spot right there. But next, I'm gonna use this product that I'm obsessed with from Nude Sticks. Mary Phillips did a collaboration with Nude Sticks, and this color is amazing. It's the Nudies Matte, and it's called Sunkissed. I'm just gonna brush it all the way down and across. So it's very sun-kissed. I'm gonna hit the center of my mouth. So I'm gonna come back and hit just a little in here, just to make the cheekbones pop. But this look is all supposed to be natural. So again, all the way across, kind of just. And then you can also smooth it out with a brush. And this is a great all-in-one product to have. It's called Sun Kiss, and I really do love it on the cheeks and the mouth. And to finish this, I'm gonna use Jouer. I love them. It's an oldie but a goodie. And this color is called Maiden Lane. And this is like the ultimate nude, beautiful summer gloss. And it's super, super shiny. And it is the perfect sun-kissed. Love it. Love that gloss. Urban Decay came out with a new all-nighter, and it's called Summer Solstice. So what I love about it, it's long-lasting makeup setting spray, and this is a lightweight, but it goes up to 16 hours, and it's not as heavy as the original. I'm a huge fan. This one's called All Nighter Summer Solstice. I absolutely love this product. And again, that's really it. It's called Ocean Eyes, a little bit of blue on top, a little bit of the sand, which I love, from Marc Jacobs on the bottom. I love those soft, beautiful lip. It's an easy summer fresh look, and blue is really in. If you guys have any trends I need to try, I'm all about it. Send me products, send me things that you guys love, and I'll totally try them and give you my feedback. Comment below. I love you guys, and I hope you're having a great summer.